Okay, this is odd. I just had my windshield replaced. I had a big crack going across the whole front of it. Something popped up from the road, but I had it replaced at Safelite um, here in Prescott, and it's the company that my insurance company recommended. You know, they're a big national company, and so went real smoothly. Friendly guys, really, in and out. They got it done real quickly. I bought the windshield wipers, new windshield wipers too, even though they might be a little overpriced, but they were able to install them and everything. So anyway, what's odd is it's been about 2 hours. Still got the tape. I guess I should take that off of the. I think I can take it off, but was driving down the road and looked over to the side, and I saw all this kind of weird distortion in the glass, and you can see it right down um, in the gravel on the curb right there. When I move the camera, you can see the curb. There's that like the distortion there. Um, Let me see if I can go up and see the silver car up there. When I move the camera up and down, you can see the distortion in the glass, in the trees. There's two little spots off the side here where the glass is kind of warped. I don't know if it's like sagging, and when they made the windshield, um, no cracks or anything. There's the trees, but it's just really strange. I thought maybe, well, maybe it's something that happens when, it's real cold out, and it'll, as it warms up, it'll go away or something. But no, the actual glass is warped. There's that distortion right in the middle where the silver car is, and the buildings and the trees. When I'm looking straight ahead, I don't see it. When I look off to the side, to the right here, peripheral vision, or just looking over to the side, I can see it. Doesn't look like it affects, there's no cracks, like I said, or anything. It's just a warped glass in two spots there, right there. Big one, and then one right above it. There's a little warp right there. So I just wanted to make a video. I thought you think that guys, when they install it and when they're moving the glass around and everything, they'd notice that, hey, this glass has got a warp right in that one spot. It's nowhere else in the windshield, just that one spot in the glass. And maybe they did see it and they just figured, we don't. They had to order this glass. They're not going to want to have to wait and order another one for this Volkswagen. Um, so anyway, I just wanted to document it, and so if anything ever happens in that spot, if a crack starts there or anything, it's something in the windshield that I'll be able to take it in and have them replace it. You can see as I move up and down right around that silver car, or in the curb here. It's just a little annoying, but it's not. It doesn't affect what I drive. I'll have to see what it looks like at night. I had to check my glasses and my eyes. I was like, is there something wrong with my sight? But no, it's in the windshield, and it's not noticeable from outside when I was looking at it inside, looking in. Just when I'm here looking out, I can definitely see it off there to the side.